Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how we created this Argyle sweater Valentine's tree. What we used from the Dollar Tree are one of these styrofoam cones. I happened to find this tweed yarn, which was very gray, a few felt heart stickers. The first thing I wanted to do was make my cone much larger, so I wrapped some cardstock around my cone, and it wasn't quite a big enough piece, so I just pieced it together. And here's a close-up how you can see how I just added a piece on the bottom. And I took the cone out just so you could see how much taller that I made it. But to wrap my project, I'm going to add the cone back. Then this is probably my favorite Dollar Tree item. It's the double-sided tape. And I just took one of the pieces and I wrapped it around from the top to the bottom. And then I removed the release paper. And then I just took another piece and wrapped it around the other way so it crisscrossed. And then I took the release paper off, and then I just added a piece to the tippy top and a piece along the bottom, and then of course removed the release tape. And there we have Quarantino just checking to see what's going on. I think he smells we'll be playing with yarn. So the first thing I did was I just wrapped the top as best as I could, but I left a little opening because I'll be using that later to feed the yarn through. And then I just continued wrapping all the way around. Again, the styrofoam cone is inside just so that it's sturdy enough while I'm wrapping. And here you can see I took the cone out and it stands perfectly straight. Then I decided which hearts I wanted. I chose just the pink and the red. And then I took some yarn and I threaded it through the top to the bottom, and I put a very large knot on the end so that it wouldn't pull through the hole at the top. And then just like I did with the two-sided tape, I kind of wrapped it around and I glued it in on the top and on the bottom underneath the cone. And then again, I repeated that with to make the crisscrosses. And then since there was enough slack, I just inserted my felt hearts so they were crisscrossed. And that's the end of our project. Quarantino and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give our video a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. As always, if you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. And we'll be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.